Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share KFC style fried chicken wings recipe. Chicken wings 1 kilogram. Soy sauce 2 teaspoon. Lemon juice 2 tablespoon. Garlic paste 2 teaspoon. White pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Chili powder 2 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Mustard sauce 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Mix very well. Rest for 1 hour. Coating preparation. Flour 1 cup. Chili powder 2 teaspoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Mixed herbs 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. After 1 hour, time to coating chicken wings. Deep with cold water. Shake excess water. Double coating. Shake excess flour. Done. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.